हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू लेसन नंबर 86 दोस्तों। और आज हम बात करेंगे स्पोकन बाय सोलो ट्रैवलर प्रवीण वादलकर। Why you should talk to stranger? Just few days ago, a person like you checked in one guest house and committed suicide. Police came and they cancelled the license of the guest house. I said, it's sad, but why did they cancel the license of that guest house? He said, police is suspecting murder. Now during this conversation, I could able to convince him for the room. And then as I was just going up, using staircase, an old lady shouted from behind, excuse me. When I turned back, I got scared. Ladies pardon my language, but that lady was not looking beautiful that day. She said, this is your water bottle. There is no water in the room. I noticed there is no water in my bag also. So continue in lesson 87 में मिलेंगे vocabulary. vocabulary फर्स्ट vocabulary है yearly. yearly का मतलब happens one in a year. वार्षिक या सालाना सिमिलर वर्ड है annually या per annum. Complete first vocabulary. Second, एसल अटैक समवन फिजिकली और इमोशनली, आक्रमण करना सिमिलर वर्ड है अटैक या एजल. एसल आप बोल सकते हैं अटैक समवन फिजिकली और इमोशनली. थर्ड वोकेबलरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, फ्रेज टाइटली टुगेदर और स्क्रैम, भीड़ सिमिलर वर्ड है क्राउड या मास. सो मिलते हैं लेसन नंबर 87 पे. आज हम 86 में वोकेबलरी और रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस किए हैं. सो थैंक यू एंड बाय.